few days ago, my student's chacha passed away, so I was teaching him funeral related vocabulary and how to pay respect, sentences which express condolence, and also etiquettes related to funeral in Pakistan. What should you wear? What should you say? What should you avoid in the funerals? So today I'll teach you some funeral related vocabulary and some sentences that you can say when you visit the deceased family. So the first word is janaza. Janaza. Janaza is the funeral prayer. Whenever someone passes away, you ask, Janaza kab hai? Janaza kab hai? When is the funeral prayer? Janaza kab hai? It is an Islamic funeral prayer and performed in congregation after a prayer, like Zohar ke baad hai. Janaza Zohar ke baad hai. It is after Zohar, which is the second prayer in Islamic culture. So the second word is tadfeen. Tadfeen. Tadfeen is the burial of the deceased. So it's the respectful laying of the deceased in the ground. Tadfeen is when you put the body in the ground without a casket. So you could also say tadfeen kab hai. Tadfeen kab hai. When is the burial? Mayyat is an important word, which is the corpse or the body of the deceased. When the person passed away, it is called mayyat. Mayyat. Mayyat ghar pe hai ya mayyat hospital mein hai? Mayyat. Mayyat kahan hai? Ghusl is the washing of the corpse or the deceased. Ghusl. Normal day-to-day shower is also ghusl. Qabr is a grave. Qabr. Qabristan is a graveyard. Qabristan. Qabristan. Kafan is the fabric in which the deceased is wrapped. Kafan. The next word is taziyat karna. Taziyat karna. Taziyat karna is to say condolences or to pay respect. Taziyat karna. Taziyat karna. मैं ताज़ियत करना चाहती हूँ. मैं ताज़ियत करना चाहती हूँ. I want to pay respect. मैं ताज़ियत करना चाहती हूँ. Now let's discuss some sentences that you can say to the deceased family. The first one is मुझे बहुत अफसोस हुआ. मुझे बहुत अफसोस हुआ ये सुनकर. मुझे बहुत अफसोस हुआ. I feel very sorry. मुझे बहुत अफसोस हुआ. Another sentence that is Arabic is Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. So this is something people say, it's like a prayer. So some people say it in a short form as well. They just say Inna lillah. That's something I've heard people say. Another thing that you say is Allah Ta'ala marhum ko jannat naseeb kare. Allah Ta'ala is the God in Islam. Allah Ta'ala marhum ko jannat naseeb kare. May he be in the heaven. Jannat naseeb kare. Allah Ta'ala marhum ko jannat naseeb kare. Another thing that you can say is Allah Ta'ala jannat de. Allah Ta'ala jannat de. May he give him jannat. Allah Ta'ala jannat de. This is all in subjunctive mode. Allah Ta'ala jannat de. बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे. बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे. He was a good man. Marhum is the one who is deceased. Marhum बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे. Marhum बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे. Some of the etiquettes that are Pakistani and also international as well that are followed when somebody passes away is just to be present, not to talk a lot, and just listen to the family talk about the deceased. Not to gossip, talk, and wear a lot of flashy clothes or flashy jewelry. Wear modest clothes, and recording anything is very, very frowned upon. Most of the time there is food after the funeral, after the janaza, but it's not good to expect food, and it's important to not overstay in the house of the deceased. In Pakistan, most of the time when someone dies, the family does not cook for a few days, and the neighbors cook for them or the relatives cook for them. A lot of things are handled by the extended family, like arranging a graveyard, arranging the grave, a space for the grave, arranging ambulance, etc. That is it. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.